Hey guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown, and today I'm going to break down the all-classic Maxie Ford. So this is a classic step every tapper needs to know. I mean, it is right up there with time steps, the Broadway, the Shim Sham. I've got videos on all those. Go check them out. Hint, hint. But yeah, I mean, on the Maxie Ford, there are variations of it. You can add a pullback, you can turn with it. I'll do videos on all those, but for today, we're gonna do the basic Maxie Ford. So you gotta have faith, kids. Believe you can learn it. Who doesn't love dames at sea? All right, let's break it down. All right, so the basic Maxie Ford is to the other side. All right, and that you just add some classic arms. The classic arms are at a diagonal. All right, so it is a step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. And there's a little hop in there, just, you know, for a change of weight to add that little look. So it's step, shuffle, that's a brush for shuffle. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Let's add the arms. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Sometimes people like to look when they do the diagonal arms. Bit of effect with the Maxie Ford. All right, so going this way, it's step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. And there's that bit of a hop. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Now add arms. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. If you want to add the look, step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. Step, shuffle, step, toe. And there you go. That is the Maxie Ford broken down. Very classic, always used. Always you need to know it. All right, keep on tapping. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. There's lots of them. They don't all have to do with tap, but they all have to do with musical theater. Give this one a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next.